Superfoods. You've seen them everywhere. But what are they? Are they just a marketing ploy? Or is there substance behind the hype? That's what we're here to uncover. We're diving deep into the world of superfoods to separate fact from fiction. From exotic berries to ancient grains, superfoods can feel overwhelming. Each one promises a laundry list of health benefits. But before you empty your wallet on the latest trendy superfood, let's step back. This video is your guide to understanding superfoods. We'll explore their nutritional powerhouses and uncover the truth behind their health claims. Let's start with the basics. What exactly makes a food super? Superfoods aren't a scientific category. There's no official definition. Generally, they're foods packed with nutrients. We're talking vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining our health. Blueberries, for example, are tiny but mighty. They are loaded with antioxidants that may protect our cells from damage. Spinach, another superfood superstar, is an excellent source of iron essential for healthy blood. The key takeaway? Superfoods can be valuable additions to your diet. The world of nutrition is entire of buzzwords and trends. Superfoods have become particularly susceptible to hype. It's easy to get swept away by claims of miracle cures and instant health transformations. While superfoods offer impressive nutritional profiles, they shouldn't be viewed as a quick fix. Proper health is more than adding a few superfoods to your plate. It's about adopting a holistic approach encompassing a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle choices. The truth about superfoods is this: they can be a valuable part of a healthy lifestyle, but they're not the entire picture. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you must spend a fortune on exotic ingredients to achieve optimal health. Focus on building a sustainable and enjoyable eating method that nourishes your body from the inside out. Stay tuned, and let's embark on this journey to unlock the true potential of superfoods together. Nutrient powerhouses. Let's zoom in on what makes superfoods unique. Their exceptional nutrient density. These foods are bursting with vitamins and minerals that our bodies crave. Take kale, for example. This leafy green is a nutritional rockstar boasting high levels of vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamins are essential for a range of bodily functions. Vitamin A supports healthy vision, while vitamin C boosts our immune system. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting. Let's not forget about minerals like iron and calcium, which are crucial for transporting oxygen and maintaining strong bones. Antioxidants explained. Superfoods are often lauded for their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Berries in particular are antioxidant superstars. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are all rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives these fruits their vibrant colors. These antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic illnesses. Beyond vitamins and minerals. While vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants take center stage, superfoods offer a whole symphony of nutrients that work together synergistically. Fiber, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in digestive health. Many superfoods are also good sources of healthy fats. Avocados, for example, are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower harmful cholesterol levels. The complex interplay of nutrients in superfoods creates a powerful synergy beyond the sum of its parts. Real food, real benefits. Remember, superfoods aren't about magic pills or quick fixes. They're about embracing natural whole foods that nourish our bodies from the inside out. By incorporating various nutrient-rich foods into our diets, we provide our bodies with the tools they need to thrive. Stay tuned as we explore the truth about superfoods and how to harness their power for a healthier and more vibrant life. The superfood misconception. Superfoods have taken the wellness world by storm, often portrayed as miracle cures. While these nutrient-packed foods offer incredible benefits, it's crucial to approach them with a realistic perspective. Superfoods are not magic bullets. The truth is, no single food holds the key to perfect health. Incorporating a variety of superfoods into a balanced diet can provide a significant boost to your nutrient intake. The power of a balanced diet. Instead of focusing solely on individual superfoods, focus on the bigger picture, a balanced and diverse diet. Imagine a plate filled with a rainbow of colors, each hue representing a different nutrient group. Fruits and vegetables should take center stage, providing a wealth of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Whole grains offer slow-releasing energy and essential nutrients. Lean protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu, and fish provide the building blocks for strong muscles and tissues. Embrace diversity in your diet. Experiment with different fruits, vegetables, grains, and protein sources. In a world of instant gratification, seeking quick fixes for our health concerns is tempting, but proper health is a journey, not a destination. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your well-being over the long term. Superfoods can be valuable in this journey, but are not a shortcut to optimal health. Instead of falling prey to fad diets or relying on superfoods as a crutch, focus on building a sustainable and enjoyable way of eating. Cultivating a positive relationship with food and embracing a holistic approach to health will yield far more excellent results than any quick fix. Building a sustainable approach to health starts with shifting your mindset away from restrictions and towards abundance. Embrace the journey of discovering new foods and experimenting with different flavors, and finding joy in nourishing your body. Don't be afraid to try new superfoods, but do so with a discerning eye. Read labels and research their benefits and incorporate them into your diet sustainably and enjoyably. Remember, the most effective diet is one that you can stick with long term. The world of superfoods can sometimes feel like a luxury market. Exotic ingredients with hefty price tags dominate headlines, making it seem like optimal health requires a bottomless budget. But don't worry, you don't need a celebrity chef's salary to harness the power of superfoods. This session will explore budget-friendly alternatives to some of the trendiest superfoods. Many everyday foods pack just as much nutritional punch as their pricier counterparts. By getting savvy with your grocery shopping, you can enjoy the benefits of superfoods without breaking the bank. Chia seeds versus flax seeds, a comparative look. Chia seeds have taken the wellness world by storm. They are praised for their high fiber and omega-3 fatty acid content. But did you know that flax seeds, a more affordable option, offer a similar nutritional profile? Both chia seeds and flax seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Chia seeds are a good source of ALA omega-3 fatty acids, which our bodies convert into EPA and DHA. Flax seeds are even richer in ALA omega-3s, making them a fantastic plant-based source of these essential fatty acids. Regarding cost, flax seeds often come out on top, making them a budget-friendly alternative to chia seeds. Goji berries versus affordable alternatives. Goji berries, often marketed as a superfood superstar, are praised for their antioxidant content. While goji berries do offer nutritional benefits, their high price tag can be a deterrent for many. The good news is that several affordable alternatives offer similar antioxidant power. Consider blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, which are all rich in antioxidants and readily available in most grocery stores. Making informed choices for your plate. The world of superfoods can be overwhelming, but remember, the key is to focus on natural, whole foods that nourish your body. By understanding the nutritional profiles of different superfoods and exploring affordable alternatives, you can make informed choices for your plate and budget. Remember, a balanced diet filled with various fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources is the foundation of optimal health. Stay tuned as we continue our journey, to unlock the truth about superfoods and discover how to harness their power for a healthier and more vibrant life. The world of nutrition is often a whirlwind of trends and buzzwords. Superfoods, with their aura of health halos, are particularly susceptible to hype. While many superfoods live up to their nutritional acclaim, some are shrouded in exaggerated claims and misleading marketing. Attaching superfood claims discerningly is essential, separating evidence-based benefits from clever marketing tactics. Let's delve into some commonly overhyped superfoods, highlighting their benefits and potential drawbacks. By understanding the truth behind these overhyped foods, you can make more informed choices for your plate. Agave nectar, often marketed as a natural and healthy sweetener, rose to popularity as a sugar alternative. However, a closer look at its composition reveals a not-so-sweet truth. Agave nectar is high in fructose, a type of sugar that can be detrimental to health in excess. While small amounts of fructose from whole fruits are generally not a concern, concentrated sources like agave nectar can contribute to insulin resistance, weight gain, and fatty liver disease. When it comes to sweeteners, moderation is key. Focus on enjoying naturally sweet foods like fruits and opt for unsweetened varieties of beverages and snacks whenever possible. Coconut water gained immense popularity as a natural sports drink, touted for its electrolytes and hydrating properties. While coconut water does contain electrolytes, particularly potassium, its electrolyte content is relatively low compared to other electrolyte-rich beverages. For most individuals engaging in moderate exercise, plain water is sufficient for hydration. Coconut water can be a refreshing beverage option, but moderation is essential as it contains calories and sugar. Remember, plain water remains the gold standard for everyday hydration. Empowering your food choices. Navigating superfoods can feel overwhelming with conflicting claims. Arm yourself with the knowledge to make empowered choices for your health. A healthy diet isn't about chasing fads or relying on superfoods. Embrace a balanced approach, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. Become an informed consumer and create a sustainable, enjoyable way of eating. In a world of nutritional advice, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Tune into your body's signals and honor your needs. Our bodies communicate through subtle cues. Notice how different foods make you feel physically and emotionally. Embrace bio-individuality. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Embrace discovery. Explore new superfoods. Experiment with recipes. Thank you so much for watching.